Renowned lawyer and anti-corruption crusader Prashant Bhushan has lit a dangerous vaccine hesitancy fire here on social media that's now gone viral. In the latest chapter of a series of rants that directly attack the need for COVID vaccination, Prashant Bhushan has now gone on to make some dangerous specific claims that have now been unanimously bashed online, and it's been criticized, refuted by even experts and doctors. In one tweet, Prashant Bhushan claims that the healthy young have hardly any chance of serious effects or dying due to COVID. They have a higher chance of dying due to the vaccine. These are the exact words written by Prashant Bhushan himself, and easily disapproved a claim there that has been totally bashed on social media and has sparked some serious vaccine hesitancy, which already has, in fact, it already prevails in India. Now, a tweet like this by Prashant Bhushan already now further resulting in vaccine hesitancy with nearly 2.2 million followers. One can only expect the kind of influence that Prashant Bhushan wields among his followers. In fact, these rants have sparked some serious outrage even among his own supporters, who have now demanded that Twitter tag his tweets as dangerous and misinformative at a time when vaccination now needs to be high priority. Prashant Bhushan, however, is now brazening it out, has publicly declared that he has neither taken nor intends to take the vaccine himself. The fact here that he is a high-profile lawyer with a large following has now itself presented a serious threat, since his words ideally holds weightage among the millions of his followers who are his audience on his platform. Neither Twitter nor the government has taken any action with this regard so far. Now, several doctors have slammed Prashant Bhushan's vaccine bashing. Let's take a listen.
So the vaccine is efficacious in reducing not only the severity of the disease, but it also reduces the chances of person-to-person spread. A person who is vaccinated, if that person gets COVID, his chances of transmitting it to others are much lower. It reduces the severity. Even if you do get COVID, the chances of dying from COVID are minimal. And one is considered fully vaccinated only after 2 weeks of the last dose have gone by.
It is imperative that ones who are eligible go there and get themselves vaccinated. Vaccination is the only way that we can win over this pandemic. The vaccines available today have proved their efficacy, safety, immunogenicity, and thus it's a no-brainer to take your vaccine. We have been successful in eradicating smallpox because of vaccination, polio because of vaccination, and to a great extent, several other diseases have come under control surely by vaccination.
The only way to help out in prevention of COVID is by giving vaccinations. This should be the best strategy. Those who are unvaccinated, they endanger their lives, lives of their families, as well as the society. Also, these unvaccinated people, they are an obstacle in breaking the chain of transmission of this disease. We should follow the advice of medical experts about vaccination strategy, timing, etc.
COVID-19 vaccines are indeed safe. Age is an important factor in determining the risk of severe COVID-19 disease. However, everyone, regardless of age, is at risk of getting infected and potentially infecting others. For that reason, it's important for you to get your COVID-19 vaccine as soon as you are eligible. Getting your vaccine can help protect you and those around you. Again, these vaccines are safe. Both vaccines being widely used in India right now have been tested in a large number of people who have been followed for several weeks and months. Based on these data, both of these vaccines have been deemed safe by the Indian government and several other governments as well.
Now, meanwhile,